Mass production of aluminum profiles ensures high-quality industrial products are available to meet a variety of heavy-duty requirements across an extensive array of applications. Hentec Industry Co Ltd was a professional enterprise founded in 2003 and specializes in aluminum industrial profile design and manufacturing. We utilize a one-stop production mode so that the full process, including product and mold design, aluminum melting, aluminum extrusion, fine machining, and surface treatment, is completely carried out here in-house at Hentec workshops. Hentec has a production base of more than 100,000 square meters and produces more than 100,000 tons of a variety of aluminum profiles each year, ensuring we are able to fully satisfy an extensive array of customer requirements. We own and operate 12 aluminum melting furnaces, configured with an advanced PLC control system, we have built 44 aluminum extrusion lines to satisfy heavy industrial requirements, and we are also able to produce aluminum curtain profiles and industrial profiles in a variety of standards thanks to the use of 4000T aluminum extruder, which is capable of producing aluminum profiles with a maximum outer diameter of 350 millimeters, approximately 14 inches.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.